Hey, so I'm going to show y'all how I get the sleek bun on my natural hair. Keep watching. So first I just saturate my hair all over with this Yall leave-in conditioner, and then I go behind that with the Yall leave-in mousse, and y'all just gonna put this all in my hair, no rhyme or reason, just put it in there, y'all. And then I take a wide tooth comb and I just gotta make sure my part is super straight, y'all. Like, that is really important to me. Like, I want my part to be straight. So then I take this powder brush and I just kind of make sure that all the product is getting all through my hair. So you're gonna see me do that throughout this whole video because I'm gonna keep brushing. And then I'm gonna take a lot of Eco Styler gel and just put it all through my hair. Like, just slap it on. If you don't think it's enough, it's probably not. Keep putting more. And then I brush that all through my hair with that same powder brush I was using earlier. So this is going to consist of a lot of brushing and smoothing. So I smooth with my hands, and then I'm going to go back in with that powder brush to make sure all the product is getting through. And then after that, I'm going in with my hard bristle brush. If y'all don't have one of these, you definitely need it. You have to get this brush, and y'all see I was getting tired from brushing. You know how it is when you're trying to get that perfect ponytail. Your arms get tired, but y'all just keep brushing and keep going. So then I double up on hair ties, and you guys want to make sure that you stretch it really taut, and you want to make sure it gets as close to like your, I don't want to say your scalp, but the back as possible. And then I brush it again, and then I go in on my edges with the Got to Be glue. So from there, I'm going to take a toothbrush and I'm going to brush my edges back because I want this part to be really smooth when I pull out my baby hair. And I just pull out my baby hair kind of wherever it falls out, so I don't really force any of it out, but I want to make sure that it's really smooth, so you'll see me brushing on it over and over again. And then I'm going to take more Got to Be glued and lay it on those baby hairs, and then I'm just going to like smooth and swoop and smooth and swoop. And then we're going in with more mousse. So I'm going to take my mousse and just lay it kind of on top of my bun and just work it in there. And then don't forget to brush your little eyes in the back. Just don't forget to brush that, y'all, because you want it to be as smooth as that can be too. So I take my first scarf and I wrap it around my head. But y'all, I don't really lay down my baby hairs with a scarf. I just kind of let them do their thing. If they get like a little frizzy or curly throughout the day, I really don't care. And then I do another scarf, and y'all see that was a fail the first time, but I try to wrap a scarf in the back too, so that way my back is smooth. So I do 2 scarves and double up. So then y'all, I just take some hair from my little hair drawer. I know y'all got one, so just grab some of your curly hair. It doesn't have to be a lot. You can make this bun as big or as natural looking as you want it to be. I chose to make mine a little smaller, so I didn't grab a ton of hair. But you're basically going to take 2 bobby pins, one on each side, and you're just going to wrap that hair around the ponytail. So I have a terrible habit of using you know, good hair products on my extensions, but hey, it is what it is. So I just spray some of that Mia leave-in, and then I put some of that mousse onto the extensions, and I really just kind of like throw it in there so the hair doesn't look dry and crusty. And then from there, I'm just gonna begin wrapping my ponytail or my hair around. And you just want to do it so that, you know, you can't see your tracks, because that's the whole point of this little bun. We want it to look natural, like it's coming from the scalp. So once I feel like I have the bun in place, I do it like halfway, and then I take another like looser rubber band or hair tie, and I tie it around. And what I do is I take those curls and I kind of flip it over the top of the bun. And then I take a smaller rubber band to secure those curls in place. And then from there, I take some of those little pieces that I secured, I take them out and I twist them so it gives it kind of like that natural, like it's coming out the bun, curly look. I slowed this part down so you can see the back, and you see some of my little wide eyes curled up. That's why it's really important to like brush back there a lot, but I'm okay with it. I feel like it makes it more natural. Then I take some more product. I know you're like, girl, how much product you gonna put in your hair? Y'all, this bun gonna last a long time, I promise. So you take some of this Got To Be Instant Hold, spray it on your hands, and then kind of just form it into like, you know, just press it into the hair, press it into the scalp, and use as much or as little as you want. I want my bun to be stiff, so I'm gonna use a lot. But yeah, y'all, that's how I do my bun, and I'll give y'all another view, slowed it down some more so y'all can see the back and the sides, and y'all can't tell me that this is not giving it grew out my scalp. But thank y'all for watching. Love y'all. See you in my next video. Bye.